Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to bench test a starter if you don't have, the capability of getting it up to a local shop or an AutoZone or someplace like that and getting them to check it for you. First thing you need to do is you get you a power supply, either battery or a jump box, and then mount the starter so if it is good, it doesn't jerk and rip your arm off. Mount it in a vise. Then you're going to find your positive lead on the starter, not the negative side that goes to the solenoid housing. Find your positive side. Match your positive cable to where the battery terminal connects onto the starter. But you're not connecting the ignition wire right there that's going to go up here and connect. Then you're going to mount your ground. In this case, you're black, you're negative. Mount it to the housing of the starter. So if this starter is good, it'll kick out. Then you can take a piece of jumper wire and reach right into that terminal right there. It's right in there, see if you can see that. And connect that terminal up here to the post. And it's either going to make a grinding noise or it'll engage if it's good. One second here, we'll get them connected. Alright guys, and on this vehicle we actually have a starter ignition terminal post that we're going to connect to it. It's got a pigtail right here on the end of it, and then it's got a round slug to connect onto the top of the starter. So we're going to connect down onto this starter, and we'll be right back with you. We actually had taken, because this plug is actually broke, we held it in there with a gator clip. We can reach the wire right up here and connect it on the positive side. As we can see there, it's not arcing, it's not doing anything. So that tells us, there we go, got to connect it down. That tells us that this starter's bad. Let's see if we can give it a couple taps with a hammer, see if we can get it to do anything. And you can see, you can hear the power supply going to it. And this starter's not doing anything. Alright guys, got a rubber mat here. Let's give it a couple taps, see if it'll do anything. And, nope, nothing. Like I said, customer brought it in, it started, we wouldn't do nothing, just click, click. And we assumed that was the problem, which after diagnosing the vehicle, testing the battery and whatnot, we realized that was the problem. But we just want to show you here on a bench on how to test a starter. If you, like I said, if you don't have the capability of getting up to a shop or something like that, or if you're simply doing it on something as small as like a lawnmower or a lawn tractor, this is how you can bench test the starter. Like I said, we got a rubber mat here, give it a couple taps. It's not trying to engage at all, which tells us, like I said, this terminal, y'all can see that. Yeah, can see. You can pull that out and I'll show you. This terminal, see that? This terminal is bad. This customer told us they had a transmission put in this vehicle about 6 months ago, and like I said, it was zip tied. The plug was zip tied on there. Well, got a feeling people that did this transmission, look at that. There's a problem right there. And it probably broke the wire inside the casing here, which you could actually take this back of solenoid casing off and repair it. But hopefully y'all find this video useful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.